guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering what are the uses of the Microsoft, or in this case, the Microsoft Authenticator app here. Well, using the Authenticator app is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is we need to install the actual app. So what we need to do here is we first need to install it. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, look for Microsoft Authenticator, and click on install. Now from here, we just need to wait for the installation to complete, but once the installation is complete, we can go ahead and start using it on our accounts. So in this case, let's just wait for it. In this case, let's go and click on open to open up the app here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on allow here. And from here, just click on accept. Just follow the on-screen steps for you to basically sign in. So since this is a protected app, you won't see all the details that I'll be doing here, but for now, let's go ahead and log in. Now, once you've logged in, you should be able to see the option to basically do a few things here. So since this is a protected app, you won't see much on my screen here. So in this case, what you need to remember here is the plus button that you usually see at the top right of your screen, because that's the option for you to add keys or an authenticator for your account. So typically you have the option to add other accounts here like Google, Facebook, and other such. So in this case, how do you start using it? Now, to fully use the Authenticator app here, you need to connect this to an account that you want to have, or in this case, they'll have a two-factor authentication on it. So for example, you want to add this to your Facebook account. So to do that, you need to click on Facebook here, open it up, log in, click on the 3-bar icon at the top right here, and from here, you want to go ahead and click on the option that actually says settings. So let's go and click on the gear set icon here, or settings, and from here, click on see more in account center. From here, go to account settings, click on password and security, and under here, what we need to do is we need to click on two-factor authentication. Go ahead and choose the account that you want to protect. And from here, choose Authenticator app since we want to use Microsoft Authenticator. Let's go and click on next. Now on your screen or the next screen, you should be able to see an option that says copy key. So if you're using this on your PC, you should be able to see a QR code as well. So if you want to use a QR code here, in this case, you can go and click on view barcode or QR code as well. But yeah, so what you need to do is you need to copy these keys here, and you want to go back into your Microsoft Authenticator app, click on that plus button, and typically it's going to either ask you to scan a QR code or enter a key that we just copied. So go ahead and enter that, follow the on-screen steps for you to basically have, or in this case, use a Microsoft Authenticator app as a means of two-factor authentication on your account. Now, on the next page, it's going to ask you to basically enter the code that you'll be getting on the newly added Authenticator app into your Microsoft account. And once you've entered your code here, it will match that up, and you should now be able to use it on your account, or in this case, have a two-factor authentication. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.